Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your TikTok account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your TikTok account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. First open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in tiktok.com like this and hit enter. And after that, this is the home page of TikTok where you will be landed, and you can see the login button available over here on the top right corner of the screen, as well as the login button over here on the left side of the screen. Let's click on either of those. And now to log into TikTok, you can use your email, your phone number, your username, your Facebook, with your Google, with your TikTok, with your Twitter, anything like. But if you have not yet created an account on TikTok, you can simply click on sign up button over here. You'll be taken, and then you'll be taken to the sign up procedure, and then you'll be taken to the sign up procedure of TikTok, where you'll be able to create a TikTok account. Now to log into TikTok, uh, you can also use Apple and Instagram too. Just log in with our email or our username, and let's log in with our email. Okay, and the password. And login, or you and let's drag the puzzle, and here's a doggy, and the puzzle has been solved. It's been verified, and let's not save this right now. And there, guys, after I input the code I receive on my number, I will be logged into my TikTok account from my computer. And there, this is how you log into your TikTok account from your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.